Hello, this is Life Kreativ, here to share some useful home tips with you. Today, I'm going to show you how to enjoy sweet persimmons all year round using an air fryer. Even though they're usually best during the fall season, there's no need to sun-dry them. This helps avoid dust, insects, and mold. The drying time is only 1 to 2 hours instead of several days of sun-drying. Air fryers are easy and convenient. Just set the temperature and time. Store dried persimmons in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks, or in the freezer for 2 to 3 months. They are easy to carry as a snack. But before that, remove the persimmon's calyx, the leafy top. Wash it thoroughly. Then soak the persimmons in a mixture of water and vinegar for about 5 to 10 minutes. Vinegar is mildly acidic, which helps to break down and dissolve the pesticide residues on the persimmon's skin. Vinegar has natural antibacterial properties, helping to kill harmful bacteria. Vinegar also helps remove dirt, chemicals, and other impurities clinging to the surface of the persimmons. Then rinse several times with clean water, making it safe to eat. Peel completely. Peel off the skin, keeping the stem. Keeping the stem helps the fruit have less direct contact with air, slows down oxidation, and stays fresh longer. Next, cut the peeled persimmon and cut into 8 equal parts. Next, remove all the core and seeds. Place the persimmon pieces on the air fryer tray without overlapping. For the first round, cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Let them cool slightly. Then flip the pieces over. Cook in the air fryer for a second round. Air fry for a second time at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Repeat this process, flipping and air frying, a total of 5 times at 100 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes each time. As the moisture evaporates, the texture becomes chewy. Then dry them in the shade for a day, and you'll have delicious dried persimmons. The slices of persimmon retain their shape almost as they were originally, without shrinking too much. The color is a natural orange-yellow. The persimmon slices retain nearly their original shape and do not shrink much. Inside, soft and chewy like gummy candy, retaining the persimmon's natural sweetness. Storing dried persimmons in Ziploc bags and vacuum sealing. Vacuum sealing removes most of the air inside the bag, especially oxygen. It slows oxidation, keeping persimmon's color, flavor, and appearance longer. Sealed and vacuum-packed bags help retain chewiness, preventing the persimmons from becoming too dry or hard. And store them in the freezer, and you can enjoy their natural sweetness all year round. You can eat them just like this. They make a perfect snack, both for kids and adults. Today, we learned how to easily make dried persimmons and soaked persimmons using an air fryer, so you can enjoy them conveniently and deliciously all year round. If this was helpful, please give it a like. Thank you.